Okay, so they're gonna see. They're doing this one really cool here. I haven't done these in forever. And the year that I'm doing this video here, we didn't do this year, but I'm solving this system, which I typically do with a matrix. All right, when I do it with a matrix, I take the coefficients, which is 1, 1, 1, and 9. The numbers in front of the letters, and then the answer there, and then 1, -1, -1, and -1, and then 1, -1, 1, and 21. It's weird that they're all ones. Okay, a lot of times there's twos and stuff in there. Then I take the calculator and I go to the matrix menu, which is second x to the -1. All right, and then I'm going to go over to edit, and I'm going to edit this first matrix. And if I look at it, I have 3 rows and 4 columns. So 3 rows and 4 columns. And then I'm just going to put the values in there. So it's 3 ones and a 9 across the top. All right. If we've done this, then you're like this. Hopefully, you're like this is easy. So then 1, -1, -1, and -1, and then 1, -1, 1, and 21. 1, -1, 1, and 21. And make sure you've got those in there right. I usually double check. Because if you got them, you'll never know when it gives you the answer. So then I go back into the matrix menu, and I go to math, and I go to this right here, which is row reduced epsilon form, which we may or may not have talked about. It just means it'll solve this matrix. All right, so I hit enter, and then I tell it, oh no, hang on, I'm doing this wrong, sorry. So out here in the menu, I go math, no I don't, sorry. Out here, main menu, I told you I'm doing this cold, I haven't done this in a while. I go to math, I go to row reduced epsilon form, RREF, and then I go back to matrix again, and I want to do that to A, and I hit enter, okay? So then it's giving me the answers here. So X equals the number in the first one, 4. Y equals -6, and Z equals 11. Okay, that's in there, that's in there, that's in there, that's not. Okay, so that's basically going to come down to do you remember how to do that? Provided that we did it. All right, and then if you do, can you put it in the calculator correctly? And I'm actually surprised I got that on the first try without having to go back and redo it.